Oh, that's perfect. We're not sweating at all.
Yeah.
No wind. Smooth. That's like new granger for you there. That's nice. Come on, Gunner! Come on, Gunner. Come on, Gunner. Come on. Come on, Gunner. Come on. Come on, Gunner. Come on. Come on, get up. Get up. Come on. There you go. Jousting, that'd be fun. Did you just dump it? Oh, on purpose. Oh. Are you packing it up?
Yeah, I just checking the. No water at all. Good. Don't leak, drop.
Good.
I like that.
Especially in a boat, yeah, that's.
What happened to Chuck? He's sinking.
He said he did that on purpose. I'm not so sure.
That's cold up there right now.
Yeah. Always bonding with his dog.
Oh, wow. We were joking to get in the swimming lane. This dog loves to swim. I don't want you all wet. Really? I don't want you all wet.
Hey, what kind of birds are those? Those geese?
Yep. Yeah.
Of course, there's no hunting right now, huh?
Yeah.
No hunting allowed. Why are they flying south?
Huh?
Aren't they supposed to be flying north?
Yeah, why are they going south right now? Well, yeah, they should be going north right now.
They're going south, right?
Yeah, they're going south.
Probably just fly into another.
Huh?
Just probably fly into another
Yeah,
wetland
they'll
somewhere.
land out here somewhere. Yeah. Sorry. Molly, stay on the water.
Why they keep you on a chain, huh? Poor doggy, keep you on a chain.
Right now.
What?
She's got the swimmer with you right now.
Well, let her go. Go.
Nah.
We took Chuck's dog swimming. I thought he was going to drown.
Huh?
Nothing. I didn't see it. Hey, somebody throw me a beer.
Beer.
Beer me,
We need a beer.
you soulless suckers.
Right here. Right here. Hang on. I think your line got stuck.
Oh shit. Yeah, don't buy this brand. That's not supposed to happen.
I think it's about time we started fishing.
We already are. The poles are in the water. We're fishing.
My pole's not in.
Holly.
Yeah.
You're gonna kill yourself, Holly.
Oh, good. This way. This way. This way. This way. This way. Come over here. This way. Okay, come on.